When things go wrong in the air, there's no margin for error. These helicopter accidents and mistakes caught on camera show the terrifying moments when flights took a deadly turn. Up, it's about to get turbulent.
Oh my God!
One rogue deck strap caused this helicopter to swing dangerously close to the crew member still on deck several times in a few seconds. This pilot put too much force on the rotor blades for the hydraulics to handle. As the helicopter lost stability, it pitched right and crashed into a mountain. Thankfully, they landed in a somewhat cushioned part of the snow, and there were no serious injuries. A rescue helicopter at Großglockner, the highest mountain in Austria, faced a dangerous situation. One passenger was boarding when the aircraft completely lost control. Everyone walked away with minor injuries in a situation that could have easily taken their lives. The pilots accidentally left the front wheel locked, causing the helicopter to spin out and destroy its blades in seconds. Thankfully, everyone's safe, but can't say the same for the helicopter.